Welcome back to Boomer Ranting in the Woods. It's a short one today. I just want to say thank you. We hit 1,000 subscribers recently, and between the time that I saw that and then recorded this video, we actually gained 200 more mega autists within our ranks. So thanks. That's really nice of you. So I want to quickly talk about the future of this channel. I think I found a pretty good niche. Educational stuff plus schizo ranting in the woods. I think that works pretty well for me. And I'll keep doing that. Now over December, I actually want to step things up a little bit. For a month, December 1st to January 1st, I want to post a video every single day. This is going to be in the following format. I'm going to be doing, every week, I'll be doing 2 educational videos. Think Vim, think terminal applications, maybe stuff about coding. Who knows? Maybe I'll teach you some C, maybe I'll teach you some assembly. That'll be pretty fun, no? A bit of ARM assembly. And the rest of the days, the other 5 days in the week, I'll be doing this. I'll be ranting in the woods, talking about various topics. So join me on this crusade to see what's going to happen if I post every day. Because this channel seems to have a lot of potential. There seems to be a lot of mega autists out in the world who want to watch me rant and who want to watch me teach Vim and stuff. So let's see what happens.